When you start and it all feels hard, and your worries and doubts start to unfurl, but you know down in your heart that there must be a place for you in this world. When rejection leaves you more than annoyed, and it feels as if you're shouting to the void. There's so much shit that jerks submit, so don't you quit. Don't let the a-holes win. Don't let the a-holes win. You spend hours perfecting all your pros, fret and worry if it might be good enough, while a dude with words approved by bros sends his work assuming it's the best of all the stuff. You doubt so much it makes you wanna stop, while the thoughtless rider tries and lands on top. Might be a fit, so just commit and don't you quit. Don't let the a-holes win. Don't let the a-holes win. Well, James wrote Twilight fic. Smash Mouth had a lot of hits. No one agrees on what's legit, so try